Give it to me like
Gentlemen, kayo po ay pangatlo sa ating set. From po, Angel, St. Corpus, Francis, Corpus. Sige, unahin po natin yung pagkasunod-sunod niya para lang po natin mamaya. First po na magsasayaw, David Han Kamal, Ian Harvey Kamal, Ed Eliser C. Kamal, John Romel Sampang, John Ray Garsota, Aladin Dumanglag, Jethro Ivan Bisaya, Kenworth De La Cruz, Lloyd Aldrich C. Lazaro, Blessed J. Corpus, Mark Allen C. Lazaro, Nino Arquero, Norwin J. C. Lazaro, Franco Angel C. Corpus, Francis Edsel C. Corpus, Francisco Corpus, Florendo Natal, and of course, Sir Edward C. Corpus. So yun po ang ating pagkasunod-sunod po ng ating Isabel Galupe, Aramay Peralta, Lalaine Bisaya, Lucel De La Cruz, Aldea Santos, Erza May Bello, Princess Angel, Rodeline Bumanglang, Halili May De Guzman, Kathleen Bakay, Riley Sander Luis, Victor Estacion, Gillian Agpawa, Rosa Fernandez, Janice Lingayan, Princess Zona Garsota, Mia Arquero. So here we are at Villaluz San Mateo Isabela for a grand celebration. Today is a celebration of Thanksgiving and the life. I am Mr. Regiboy B. Bartolome, your program host for this afternoon. Once again, good afternoon everyone. I am Mr. Regiboy B. Bartolome, your premier host in Region 2. Welcome to Villaluz San Mateo Isabela. We are gathered here today to witness the transformation of the young girl to a beautiful lady. All of you who are here this afternoon have watched her growth over the years into a wonderful family now. We are very lucky for we are chosen to be here and be part of this momentous occasion in Debutan's life. An 18th birthday marks almost the step from youth to young adult with all its relative responsibilities. Join us as we celebrate this wonderful girl coming of age. As a jump start, salubungin po natin ng masiglang palakpak ang kanyang family. Ayan, so tinatawagan ko ang kanyang mga kapatid. Yan, so nandito si Edsel. Andito rin ang kanyang kuya. Andito rin ang kanyang ading. And of course, at this point in time, tawagin naman natin ang kanyang mama at papa. Ma'am Lisa Corpus and Mr. Edward Corpus. Palakpakan po natin sila. Ang kanyang brother Francis Edsel C. Corpus at ang kanyang kapatid na babae, Francis Hazel C. Corpus at ang kanyang cute na ading na si Franco. Palakpakan po natin. Dito po tayo sa harapan at mag-picture taking po muna tayo. Yan, dito po tayo sa harapan. Para po sa pagsulubong natin sa ating celebrant. This afternoon calls for a grand celebration of adulthood and a thanksgiving of the life God has given to our lovely celebrants. And it's our distinct pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time the reason why we are all gathered here this afternoon. Because tonight will be the most magical night in her 18 years of existence. Now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us all rise and put our hands together as we welcome our lovely debutante. Francel together with her escort David Han Kakal. Palakpakan po natin. Kasama ang kanya. And of course, sa lahat po ng bagong dating na bisita, welcome to Francel's 18th birthday. Your time is very effort po sa hapon na ito. So sir, dito muna tayo sa kanyang tabi at tayo po ay kumuha ng isang larawan. Ayan, litrato. Okay. Sige. O, palakpakan po natin ulit ang kanyang daddy at ang ating celebrant na si Francel. To formally start our celebration for this afternoon, may I call... Thank you so much. Next in line, we have Sapphire Espirito. Followed by Shamseya Banting.
Happy birthday, Tita Franzen.
Thank you so much. Next, we have Shamseya Banting.
Happy birthday, Ate Franzen.
Thank you so much. Calling on Irish Dohinog. Followed by Princess Cyril Gonzalez.
Happy birthday, Ate Franzen.
Thank you. Once again, Princess Cyril Gonzalez.
Happy birthday, Ate Franzen.
Okay, thank you so much. Faith Bumanglag. Nasusundan ni PJ Peralta.